Hi, I'm Joan Lok. I recently traveled to Mississippi and Tennessee, and their state flower is the beautiful magnolia. The flower is everywhere, and obviously they are really well loved by both states. That's why they pick them as the state flower. When I came back, I really want to paint them, and coincidentally, in my front yard, I do have a magnolia tree. So, in our next workshop, we will be painting the Southern magnolia. The fluted magnolia is the one with the white flower, and then it has waxy, large leaves, and the leaves is very unique in a way that the front is kind of green, but the back is kind of brownish. This particular workshop, we will paint the flower in a freehand way, but then with contour. It will be interesting to do, especially if you like to paint a freehand painting without the outline. This is not to be confused with Gombi because this is not a meticulous style painting. It is still calligraphic. We are still using calligraphic stroke for the leaves and the branches, but we will do the outline for the petals. And this particular workshop is for Southern Magnolia, this flower, and it's not for the regular magnolia because in my former home in Maryland, I do have a magnolia tree in my front yard, and this is the magnolia. And we are not doing the workshop on this one. We are doing the workshop on the southern magnolia tree. And if you are interested, let's paint together this beautiful flower that are the state flower for Mississippi and also Tennessee. I even bought a pin. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the workshop.